So this is it. This is the saw that I got the other day. Pretty good size there. That's not solid steel. It's only about 1 inch thick because it's got like ribbing and such underneath it. Try to get a good view to appreciate the size. It rained in here earlier today and the roof leaked. So I got water on the tabletop, which isn't cool, but whatever. This is probably 1.5 inches thick. The miter slots there. That zero clearance insert. The insert there is about 2 foot long by about maybe 10 inches wide. Says guessing it'll take about a 16-inch blade. And then over here, up here rather, gotta watch myself, is the saw itself. That's the motor. That's how wide it is. You can see about how long it is there. That's the arbor there. Looks like a 1-inch arbor on that. Gonna have to get a big blade drilled, probably from Forest, for this. It's got a brake on it here, which is adjustable with that right there underneath the strap. And even like that's at least 1/4 inch. It might be 3/8 or half. This thing is seriously heavy duty. So I'm excited to get it out of here. Don't know how I'm gonna do it on account of I'm not very strong and it's very heavy. And I can't lift that. I can't even hardly drag it out. Even just the tabletop, and then that's even heavier. So that's the Moac Industrial 5 horsepower table saw. And then this is a little Powermatic. And just the difference in the size there. It's almost comically small compared. I mean, this is fully sufficient for most people, myself included, far and away. It's sufficient enough, but can't really pass something like that up. Definitely didn't want to see it go to a junkyard. Curious to do some research on it. I can't hardly find any info on it. I mean, a model number or anything like that. So hopefully I can dig something up on the internet. And here's some of the stuff that comes with it. This is for something. I think that has to do with the fence here. Bolts onto there somehow. That's the guard. It's a seriously big guard. But for a saw this size, you'd want one, I'd imagine. This apparently came out of a high school shop class, and they got rid of it because they switched to saw stops, which for high school class makes a lot of sense. You know, you want it to be as safe as possible. Don't want kids losing fingers. But yeah, excited to give it a shot. I don't know if it was always blue. It may have been green at one point. Looking at that, I'm guessing maybe the original color was green. And if you look at the door, the dust port there, you can see it's green on the inside as well. And that's a big dust port too. That's probably 6 or 8 inches. But yep, this is it. So hopefully we get some more info and get her running this winter. I'm excited about that. That'll be a fun project.